Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
The petitioner herein is aggrieved by an order dated 8 June 2021 passed by learned additional sessions judge Didwana in criminal revision petition number 13/2021 whereby the revision petition filed by respondent number 5 was allowed full stop. In exercise of revisional jurisdiction, an order dated 27 April 2021 passed under sections 149 CRPC by learned subdivisional magistrate Khimsar Wide, which he had provisionally attached khasra number 384 of rickshaw bus and appointed a receiver as an interim measure was set aside full stop. The brief facts relevant to the controversy herein are that the petitioner and respondent number 5 lodged complaints with the averments that a dispute arose between the parties regarding an agricultural land situated at khasra number 384 Raqba 3.22 which were investigated by the SHO full stop Stanja. Following the investigation, the SHO filed a complaint under sections 149 CRPC before the learned SDM full stop. The learned SDM through an order dated 27 April 2021 provisionally attached khasra number 384 of rickshaw bus and appointed a receiver as an interim measure full stop. Respondent number 5 challenged the said order by filing a revision petition before the learned additional sessions judge Didwana Medta, which was allowed, thereby setting aside the order passed by learned SDM full stop. In the aforesaid backdrop, I have heard the rival contentions and gone through the case file full stop. Learned counsel for petitioner contends that order appointing receiver being an interim arrangement cannot be challenged by way of a criminal revision under section 397 CRPC full stop. He contends that section 397 CRPC cannot be invoked against non-conclusive decisions full stop. Therefore, the revision petition was not maintainable and impugned order is non-est and deserves to be set aside full stop. Having heard learned counsels and on perusal of the case file, particularly the impugned order dated 9 June 2021 passed by learned additional sessions judge, I am of the view that the petition is sans any merit and does not warrant any interference full stop. Reasons are not far to seek in as much as the elaborate discussion contained in the impugned order itself is self-explanatory and needs to further elaboration full stop. Qua the maintainability, also the revision court has taken a correct view by giving cogent reasons thereof full stop. On merits as well, learned additional sessions judge has threadbare gone into every minute aspect of the case and rendered his opinion basis of relevant case law cited in the impugned order coupled with valid and sound reasoning, full stop. In fact, this court need not say or add anything more, full stop, stanza. Having said as above, learned revisional court in the impugned order inter alia has also observed and held that the parties were earlier ordered to be bound under sections 107 and 116 CRPC. Therefore, there was no such emergent situation warranting an order for attachment of property, full stop. Furthermore, it transpires that civil proceedings are also sub judice as a suit was filed by the petitioner in the revenue court, full stop. There is a dispute between the parties regarding the division of property, and the petitioner also filed a counterclaim in suit number 35/2021, wherein vide an interim injunction on 26 May 2021. Parties have been ordered to maintain the status quo of the revenue record of khasra number 384 by both the parties, full stop.